Tiptoe. To walk quietly on the toes. He tiptoed into the room. Stomp. To step hard and loudly. The angry boy stomped his feet on the floor. Trudge. To walk slowly and tiredly. We trudged home after a long day at work. Saunter. To walk in a relaxed, slow way. She sauntered through the park in the evening. Lurch. To move suddenly and unsteadily. The man lurched forward and almost fell. Sprint. To run very fast for a short time. He sprinted to catch the bus. Twirl. To spin while moving. The little girl twirled happily in her dress. Shuffle. To walk without lifting the feet much. The old man shuffled across the room. Stride. To walk with long, confident steps. He strode across the road confidently. Wander. To walk without a fixed direction. We wandered around the market. Skip. To move lightly with small jumps. The child skipped down the street. March. To walk with firm, regular steps. The soldiers marched together. Jog. To run slowly. I jog every morning for exercise. Dash. To run suddenly and quickly. He dashed out of the house.